Fernandez, your railway host from Star Bright Productions, right here on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Santa Bárbara Station in São Paulo and Costa Lacerda Station in Minas Gerais. Are you ready to see, guys? So let's go! The Santa Bárbara railway station, located in the municipality of Santa Bárbara do Oeste, São Paulo, was inaugurated on July 14, 1970. It is located at the end of Dona Margarida Street and was built on land donated to the Companhia Paulista by Coronel José Gabriel de Oliveira e Souza and Captain Joaquim Veríssimo de Oliveira. Initially, the station served as a stopping point for trains that ran along the Piracicaba branch. This branch, built by the Paulista Company, connected Limeira to Piracicaba, passing through Santa Bárbara. However, the station to Piracicaba was later abandoned, and the station remained an important landmark in the local economy. After years of use as a bus station in 2003, the old railway station was transformed into the Municipal House of Culture. On December 14, 2007, the revitalization project was concluded, providing the population of Santa Bárbara do Oeste with a unique space for cultural activities and events. Companhia Vale do Rio Doce inaugurates tomorrow the Brucutu mine in the iron quadrangle of Minas Gerais, with investments of 1 billion 100. It is the largest iron ore mine in the world, considering distillating initial production capacity of 30 million tons per year. For comparisons, the Carajás, the largest in Vale's portfolio, in which is being expanded to 100 million tons next year. It took about 10 years to reach that volume of production. The new mine is included in the company's production forecast for 2006. In 2005, Vale produced 233 million tons, 10% more than in 2004. The expectation for this year is 264 million tons. Possibly future expansion will increase Brucutu's production. This will depend on the demand of the international market, whereas the ore will be shipped. The fate of the production, according to Vale, has not yet been defined, but it will be analyzed. But analysts take it for granted that most of the volume produced will be exported to China, the world's largest iron ore consumer. The production will be shipped through the port of Tubarão in Espírito Santo. The Costa Lacerda station was inaugurated by Central do Brasil in 1939. The station is still standing and belongs to the Vitória Minas Railroad. It has a large maneuverring yard, but the building apparently has no current use, according to employees of the Vale do Rio Doce company who work there. The company erected another building nearby, this one fully operational. It was from the top of this that I made the following images in Costa Lacerda. There is currently no boarding and disembarkation of passes. Passengers, the terminal works only for cargo. Carlos Latuf, 3 of 2010. Searches, Carlos Latuf, General Guide to the Railways of Brazil, 1960. The station, with its history and architecture, is a cultural landmark and a testament on the region's railway past. Its tracks and buildings still remain, telling the history of the train journeys that once crossed the city. Thank you guys for your attention until now, and I wait till the next video. See you.